Hello, I'm Sam Collin, Market Manager here at Deringer-Ney. Today we're going to look at our fine wire department where we make some of our innovative products.
In our fine wire department, we take different forms of raw materials such as wire, ribbon, and thin strip and process them through technologies that form and shape the material to their finished geometries. These technologies include four-slide, CNC wire formers, and cutoff machines. Let's take a closer look at a CNC wire former in operation. The material is paid off the spool and fed to the back of the machine. After being prepared and guided through the quill, the material is fed to the front where the tooling forms the finished part. Here, a spinner manipulates the material to generate the bends and finished angles in the part. After all forms are complete, another tool singulates the part from the raw material. This leaves the operator with a part that is ready for any necessary secondary operations. Depending on specific part features, the four slides shown here may provide an optimal alternative to the wire former. Hard tooling is utilized to form multiple features at once. The part is singulated and ejected from the front of the machine. Wire forming and four slide offer cost-effective solutions for producing parts like brush wires, electrical contacts, and springs. Parts collected from the machines are then inspected by the operators. Seen here is an operator using a comparator with an overlay to check the part profile for conformance. This is a fully manual process that is conducted during production runs as a manufacturing control. Based on results of this inspection, adjustments can be made to the setup of the wire former and four slide. Other measurement capabilities include an automated field of view system. The operator loads a fixture with a part, which is then placed on the stage. A pre-generated program captures measurements from the part and automatically exports the data to the connected software. This data can be used to generate run charts and capability analyses. In this department, we also have vertical and horizontal wire cutoff machines. These machines produce straight cutoffs of different lengths and diameters. Similar to the products made on CNC wire formers or four slides, the operators conduct in-process inspections to verify product conformance to customer specifications.
We hope you've enjoyed this brief overview of our fine wire department. We've certainly enjoyed sharing it with you. For more information, please visit our website at deringerNey.com.